Figuring out a realistic side hustle starts with one profitable idea and focus. Today we're focused on a marketplace called Gumroad. Here you can see that anyone can earn their first dollar online. Just start with what you know, see what sticks, and get paid. It's that easy. We're going to focus on the Gumroad marketplace because Gumroad is where you can create and sell your own products. They also have an affiliate program, and you can go to the Gumroad Discover store. There's a link in the description. Just click it. You can follow along. Once you create an account, either by purchasing something or creating an account just to look around, you will get recommended for you, again, after you make a purchase. The idea here is based upon the things that you're interested in, you're going to start getting recommendations. You then take these recommendations and you recommend these products that you find reasonable or you find that you like, and reasonably your audience or people out there that you're connected with, you think that they would enjoy reading these things too, or the experience of the digital product. As you can see here, ZimWriter is actually a piece of software, but it goes down and has staff picks, and the point of this marketplace is it has a little bit of everything. So products by category. Now what you want to do for this realistic side hustle is you want to stop and focus and say, let me not try to promote everything on Gumroad. It would be like you trying to promote everything over at Amazon. You want to only look at categories or a quote unquote niche, a thing that people are interested in, things that you're interested in, things that people you're connected with are going to be interested in. If you're interested in 3D, here, perfect your craft with the same tools used at DreamWorks and Pixar. It's all about 3D creation, design. Code, design, and ship your dream product with these technical resources: software development, drawing and painting, self-improvement, fitness and health, photography, comics and graphic novels. Here you can record audios, or you could make short films. You even could sell music, and or they have resources here for gaming, some education resources, or you could write some books, or if you write books, or if you know people that like you are interested in reading fiction books, you could recommend these as an affiliate to get started with your side hustle, and then maybe move into creating your own books or going back to graphics or comics and graphic novels. You could recommend this because Gumroad has an affiliate program where you can recommend these products. Again, scroll down here and look at this and say, okay, let me just focus on comics and graphic novels for a second. Click on that. It takes you into the comics and graphic novels section. Of course, this is going to be a myriad of different comics and graphics, different styles, but pick something that resonates with you. And some of these, or sometimes you can find things that don't cost any money, but you're looking at $8, $10, $15. And here you can see that this is a comic book templates for Photoshop, but then also right alongside those templates, they're actually selling comics. So you click on this comic, you see here that this is something about Hamster Rage. It's chapter 1. It goes for $10, and it's the world's best superhero is a heroine. Her name is Mega Babe. Her childhood pet hamster is Roosevelt. You get the idea. If you want to read this 160 pages, you add it to cart and you buy it. And then here is where you can do this. You can come up here and you can simply copy that URL. Then you come back to your Gumroad account. Here's where you can see your sales if you start creating your own products. And you can click on products. This is where you set up your products when you want to start selling your own products. Then you can click on affiliated, and this is where the focus comes in on the side hustle. Getting started, or a realistic way to get started, is as an affiliate. You click on affiliated, you click on become an affiliate, then you take that URL and you paste that product URL down here, and you can search to see if that is eligible to promote as an affiliate. You can see that it is. You can select copy link. That is your affiliate link. You then take that affiliate link and you share that with people out there that would be interested in Hamster Rage Chapter 1 based upon your thoughts on the product. You download the product, you read the product, you love the product, you share the product with other people that would be interested in Hamster Rage. The idea of a side hustle is just to get information out there or to create something that you can sell, a way to make money. And you make money in a side hustle or just like any other job or owning a business. You make money by providing value. In this case, the value is you found that you like Hamster Rage and Chapter 1 was really awesome and you want to share that. So you share your thoughts on this product And this is how simple the side hustle is. You share your thoughts on this product. You take that affiliate link, you go to your social media, you share it on your Facebook page, you share it on your Instagram, start a TikTok where you talk about Hamster Rage, or you're talking about comics, or you're just sharing with the world the thing that you love. And the thing that you love is reading these comic books and these graphic novels. And you found this over on Gumroad, and now you know about this marketplace. So simply all you have to do is go walk back through this video, look at how I simply just went to Gumroad.com, link in the description. I discovered everything they have there, and I'm going to start as an affiliate, which means that I'm going to get paid for recommending people check out these products. If they enjoy it, they're going to come back and take a look at the rest of my recommendations. I'm going to continue to make money as an affiliate, earn commissions for recommending those products. And then that side hustle turns into, if you wanted to, creating your own products around that same love for what you enjoyed reading. Now you start creating, you start selling your own digital product, and this side hustle turns into even more money. And that is how a realistic side hustle starts. It starts with one profitable idea. In this case, the one profitable idea is to go to Gumroad, find something you like, and then let people know that you like it and recommend that they check it out. Link in the description. And that's all you got to do. And I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye.